Here's how to recharge your Vodafone Egypt balance in under a minute using a scratch card, no app or website needed. Recharge your balance via keypad. This is the fastest and most common way to top up your balance. Scratch the card, gently scratch the silver area on the back of the recharge card to reveal the 14-digit code. Dial the code. On your phone, open the dial pad and enter the following code. 858 * your 14-digit recharge code hashtag. For example, if your recharge code is 1234567890123 the code you'll dial is 858 1234567890123 hashtag. After entering the code, press the call button. You'll immediately receive a text message, SMS, confirming that the recharge was successful and the balance has been added to your account. If you have any questions about any service on any network, leave your inquiry in the comments. We're happy to help.